question on the board. When we delay the closing of Shabbos, does this delay hold any weight halachically, or is it purely in consideration for our emotional well-being not to say goodbye to Shabbos so soon?
Mm-hmm. No, it's actually halacha. It's actually halacha, and halacha is that you have to add. Right, you have to add to the Shabbos. So as our sages explain, you have to add to the beginning, as we explained today, and add to the end. So meaning, let's say your Shabbos ends like 6:45 or 5:45. So do if you can add 5 minutes, add 5 minutes. But technically, you're allowed to add up to until the midnight, Jewish midnight. So after that, do not prolong. So you just let it go. Well, from the Shabbos ends until the midnight, there is no problem. You're not obligated to finish. Okay, but you're not obligated to finish. But there is a next mitzvah. You understand that the next mitzvah is Melava Malka, the special, the fourth meal. So I mean, you also cannot delay forever. So do like reasonable. You want to do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, no problem. Especially in the winter when Shabbos ends earlier, so that's what we do.
We're not sure, but that was the last question.
Okay.